Hey, folks! Here I am, Екатерина Пряникова. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within curve openers, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. On my second channel Machine Footage you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Important to know creating some footage as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the processing to make this much easier. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.